everyone. So I'm sorry for uploading this video like almost a week after my test has been done. I'm really sorry, but मैं काफ़ी बिज़ी थी and उसके अलावा रिज़ल्ट्स आने में भी टाइम लग गया था. Results themselves, like result itself came out only on Thursday. So yeah, I'm so sorry, but yeah, जो हो गया सो हो गया. Let me just show you my result. सो विल स्टार्ट विथ पेपर 2 क्योंकि उसका पूरा रिजल्ट आ गया है, मतलब रैंक और सब कुछ. पेपर 1 का सिर्फ प्रोविजनल की आ गया है, लाइक प्रोविजनल रिजल्ट, ओनली माई मार्क्स, नॉट द एंटायर रैंक्स एंड एवरीथिंग. तो पेपर 2 वॉज ऑफ द जेई एडवांस्ड फॉर्मेट, मतलब इट वॉज ऑफ 180 मार्क्स and 60 for chem, 60 for physics, 60 for math, and there were 17 questions in each subject. So over here, as you can see, I have scored 146 on 180, which is not really that good, but the class average is 99, so it is better than that. Now coming to my campus rank, it is 43. I don't know if you can see that clearly. I hope you can. If you can't, there's not much I can do about it. Wait, let me try. See, 43 campus rank, और center rank है 148 out of 1422 students, which is 89.66 percentile. Even though in my campus my rank is like only, मतलब my percentile is only 87.43 percentile. That is because my campus is the main campus, and यहाँ ज़्यादा, मतलब I mean not to demean anyone, but ज़्यादा intelligent बच्चे हैं. So campus means only my branch and center means मेरे city में सारे branches of Allen. Now coming to my subject wise score. Wait, I guess I can reduce this now क्योंकि आपको दिख रहा होगा. Coming to subject wise score, which we can see over here, ये है मेरा physics का score. I have scored 52 on 60. Now see, let me tell you something. The class average is 39 and my campus rank is 61. I hope you can see. Will I keep having to zoom in and zoom out? That would be so annoying, but I can do it for you guys. Here, my campus rank is 61 and my center rank is 172. You can see the percentiles down here, 82.04 in my campus and 87.97 in my center. Now see, मेरे 52 आए हैं, but I would have gotten 56. अब क्या हो गया, when you like tick the answer for a question, ये वाला टेस्ट ऑनलाइन था. I don't know if you can see it. Hold up. Online mode. See, यहाँ लिखा है. It is test of online mode over here. अब चीज़ ये थी कि in online mode when you tick an answer ना, उसके बाद you have to press save and next. If you just press next, तो तुम्हारा आंसर सेव नहीं होगा. And for one question over here, I forgot to do that. तो इसलिए उस क्वेश्चन का आंसर सेव ही नहीं हुआ, even though it was like one of the easiest questions. Moreover, my campus rank is so behind, not because like of any other reason, but because see, हमारे campus में 10 batches हैं, and 10 batches में से 5 batches में कुछ करवाया नहीं था, मतलब कुछ topics करवाए नहीं गए थे, उसलिए they got bonus marks for 2 questions. I'll show you over here. See, view physics solution. We are pressing this, and ये question मुझे नहीं आता था. लाइक आई गॉट कन्फ्यूज कि मॉड वाले क्वेश्चंस कैसे सॉल्व करने हैं. दैट आई वुड हैव लॉस्ट मार्क्स. ये है एक, होल्ड अप, दिस इज आई गेस इट्स अ 3 मार्क का क्वेश्चन. या सी, यहाँ मुझे +3 आए हैं. दैट मीन्स दिस वॉज ऑल्सो 3 मार्क्स एंड आई हैव गॉट 0. ये वाला करेक्ट था. देन ये वाला भी करेक्ट है. दिस वन इज ऑल्सो राइट. हाँ, ये वाला, ओ माई गॉड, दिस वॉज सो ईजी. दिस वॉज बेस्ड ऑन द कोसाइन रूल. एंड इस वाले में मैंने, मतलब आई इवन टिक द आंसर, लाइक सी, आई प्रेस व्यू सोल्यूशन ओवर हियर. मैंने ये तीनों ही आंसर्स टिक किए थे, बट यहाँ लाइक व्हेन द टेस्ट इज गोइंग ऑन हियर देयर इज अ सेव एंड नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन, एंड हियर देयर इज जस्ट अ नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन. सो आई प्रेस नेक्स्ट इंस्टेड ऑफ सेव एंड नेक्स्ट, तो मेरा सेव ही नहीं हुआ. एंड मे बी इफ आई हैड टाइम लेफ्ट एट द एंड ऑफ द टेस्ट, आई वुड हैव realized कि मैंने कुछ questions छोड़ दिए हैं without meaning to, but time ख़त्म हो गया था and my paper auto submitted, so I even didn't get time to check. So I could have gotten 56, but इस stupidity के आ रहा है, एंड दिस डिडंट हैपन ओनली इन फिजिक्स, इट इवन हैपन फॉर वन क्वेश्चन इन मैथ. So yeah, that was very bad. And in chemistry, in one question, I ticked the wrong option. Like उसके नीचे वाले option को मैंने choose कर दिया था, because it was a matching questions, तो वो थोड़े confusing भी होते हैं. So yeah. Anyway, so now this is a learning for us कि ऐसे चीज़ें नहीं करने हैं during the test. You have to be careful of what you're taking and what you're pressing. Like you should always press save and next, not just next. Now coming to question 6, ये वाला it's showing wrong. Like see, it was a 4 marker question. हाँ, ये वाला भी 4 marks का है. These two are 4 marker questions because as you can see over here, this is like a multiple option correct question. A, C, D all are right over here. So similarly, इसके बाद वाला question भी multiple option correct है, and it is of plus 4 marks, but I only had got 3 because see, यहाँ चारों ही ऑप्शंस करेक्ट थे. वेट, हाँ, A, B, C, D all were right, but I only chose A, B, C over here. Like मुझे confusion हो गया था कि what if tan is 45 degree, then tan 90 degree, as we all know tan 90 degree is like, see, cos 90 is 0 na, so sin 90 by cos 90 1 by 0, which is infinity. So I got confused कि वो consider करना है या नहीं, but actually there was a much simpler way to do this, which is simplify the whole expression. So I could have done it that way. तो यहाँ मेरा 1 mark चला गया. And these are the only parts where I've lost marks. बाकी सारे जगह I've only gotten marks, as you can see. I'll quickly scroll through, and if you want you can pause and check. हाँ, ये मैं दिखाना चाहती थी. See, here we got bonus marks because the lower 5 batches did not learn how to solve like local minimum, local maximum, मतलब maximum minimum उन्हें पढ़ाया नहीं गया था, इसलिए we got bonus marks. Even though हमारे batch में वो पढ़ाया गया था, and many students got it wrong from our batch. Like they got it wrong even though they learned that topic in class. And some of the people, that is why some of the people who got equal to or lesser than me crossed me because they got bonus marks. But it's no, and that's why my rank is so behind. But it's no use crying about this क्योंकि क्या ही किया जाए. See, question 13, 14, then again 16th, same story, it is also bonus marks. ये तो काफ़ी easy था. I don't know why they gave bonus marks for this. Like lower batches को क्या problem हो गया था, but yeah. This was bonus marks too, and yeah, that's all for physics. Now if see, ये वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जा रहा है, so maybe I'll have to shoot this in 2 parts, but please don't mind. Coming to chemistry, I got 50 out of 60. I could have easily scored like 55, as I told you. मैंने एक question में गलत कर दिया था, but actually honestly speaking I think 50 is an accurate score क्योंकि एक question मेरा guess में सही हो गया था, and that was of 4 marks. So I think it's fair enough for chemistry. Class average is 31 over here. My campus rank is 34 with 90.12 percentile. That is in only my branch. And center, matlab in the entire city, it's 134 of 1422, which is 90.65 percentile. Because this test was online, the teachers are saying कि बहुत cheating भी हुआ है. So not to take it too seriously. Anyway, so as you can see, ये वाला मुझे मतलब it was of I guess यहाँ 4 marks का था, and I got 2. There were 3 answers correct, but I chose only 2 क्योंकि A वाला I was confused about, so I didn't choose it. Also, if you choose the wrong option with the right options, you get negative marking. So I thought कि उससे तो better है partial marking ही मिलना. And then ये okay है. ये toughest question था, मतलब entire paper में according to the teachers. Still I got it right. And even this one. हाँ, और ये वो question है जिसमें मैंने by mistake I chose the wrong option. Let's see. ये दो ऑप्शंस इतने सिमिलर है. आई मेंट टू चूज सी. सी पी क्यू आर सब सेम है इसमें, एंड दे आर जस्ट बिलो एंड अबव ईच अदर. सो आई मेंट टू चूज सी बट आई टिक्ड बी बाय मिस्टेक, इसलिए ये मेरा गलत हो गया, एंड आई इवन गॉट नेगेटिव मार्किंग फॉर इट. एनीवे, आई विल रिकॉर्ड द रेस्ट इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो, नेक्स्ट पार्ट. वॉच दैट टू.